description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that was sent by Frank over at 5am Ramen. Go check out 5amramen.com. He's got some rad stuff. It's worth your time. This is Yamadai, aka New Touch, with a Yamagata Chinese chicken shoyu, which is soy sauce flavor. So, yeah. So we are going to do it up. It makes me want to just do it in the pot because I had to deal with a lot of stuff yesterday. Which, can we do both of these? This one we don't do. I'm going to put this is a liquid sachet. I'm going to put it next to the burner where I was boiling the water. You know what? I am going to do it in the pot. The hell with it. So I'm going to put the noodles right in there. What's nice about Japanese varieties is it tells you like how much water to use. So that's a garnish. That is not. Yeah, this is what goes in right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so this does 4 minutes. And yeah, I'll just kind of like nurture it as the time elapses. So just kind of like open it up a little bit. But yeah, it is the 19th of March, and wow, I've just been sailing through my reviews today, or my cooking shows. You might say, the Ramen Raider, why don't you give us the scores on the show? And I've mentioned this before. People will say, how did it taste? It's like, dude, watch. I told you how it tasted. It's like, I've got my own way of reviewing. I've got my own personal things that I like about instant noodles and things that I don't like about instant noodles. So it's like, I can't just say, boom, this is 10 stars. Boom, this is 5 stars. What I can do is while we wait, I can cut this up. I'll explain that too. But, yeah. I don't like it when instant noodles are really crumbly, unless that's like an asset to them. An example would be Thai instant noodles. They kind of give me a feeling of that they're a little crumbly. And then there's the main one, I would say, when I review. If it says it's chicken flavor and it tastes like seafood, that's really not going to give it a great score. That's my spot. That's my spot. Anyways, you know, and but even if that was the case and it was really freaking good, yeah, it'll lose a couple points, but it'll also get like a really good review. So very hard to explain, and some people get really bent out of shape about it, but it's like, hey, you know, it's my opinion, man. So what am I doing here? Well, I scan everything. I scanned the lid yesterday when I got the stuff ready. So I have a big format printer scanner combo, but it'll do tabloid size, which is rad. If you need to get a big scanner printer deal, HP OfficeJet 7740. Get that. That works well. The scanner's like huge, and it's fast too. But yeah, I open up the lid and I put this on it and push it down, and then it scans it. So I have to hold the lid down for stuff like this. Then there's things that I've had to do to deal with, like things like this. These get all crinkly. So I made the RPFD, the Ramen Package Flattening Device. Copyright, trademark, blah, blah, blah. But all it is a piece this thick of plexiglass with a shower handle on it, like a suction cup shower handle. And that evens it out to quite a degree. So that's helpful. I don't know, it's like you might be thinking, why do you like spend all this time scanning this stuff and doing all this? Because I like it. Because I'm freaking nuts. I don't know. You tell me. You figure it out. But yeah. Is that salty? I don't think so. Salty was it's like kind of a term that I think has been around for a long time, but I was like, what? It's like my wife and I were talking about the term and we looked it up and it was like we were kind of a little bit off on what it actually meant. It's not like it's a term we usually use. Cranky, poor sporty, I don't know. It's also, I think it's a triggering term for a lot of people if you tell them that they're being salty. But I don't know. Somebody told me I was being salty when I was complaining about people complaining about what I do. The noodle. It emits from the liquid broth. What we got here? It's our broth. Aye, there's meat in there. Large chunks of meat. Arr. That one's okay. I think I'm getting a lot of like maybe bonito, and it's a little much for me. Kind of a smoky bonito kind of thing. Maybe a hint of katsubushi. Hey, that looks neat. But that will never work. We'll try that. I know it doesn't matter at this point, but right now, the San Francisco Giants are the best team in spring training. So that's the thing, but I don't know what the deal. Why is everybody such a freaking... I mean, at least why is there's so much interest in the Dodgers? Because the Dodgers are all like freaking horrible people. They suck. I just don't get it. There is our flavor cacophony. I'll try that after. I was thinking about putting some chashu on here, but I don't think it's really necessary. Being, what's this one, chicken forward? Today is actually National Poultry Day. Did you know that? Well, March 19th is. And on the picture that I drew for my wife, I draw her a picture every day. I drew her a picture of me riding on a chicken. You should try riding on a chicken. That'd be kind of weird. I got a Narutomaki. I I do want to use some this stuff. I think that's good. Do I want to add anything else? I do, and I think it would probably complement this nicely. I'm going to use some of this Chuchow chili crisp in oil. Ugh. It seems the right thing to do, mainly because I need to get more, and I like using it. It reminds me of my old buddy. Globular. That is yummy, yummy stuff. Yeah, meaty, very deep, rich broth. Nice noodle. And there it goes. Look at that. Maybe we have something a little more peppy. No. More peppy. It's a little more wistful. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, metal. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Wow, I flew by here and got a lot of stuff done today. So that is that for me to you. So enjoy your instant noodles each and every day. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go check out 5amramen.com. It's pretty cool. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You may wish to unplug sensitive electronic equipment, such as computers and televisions, to avoid damage during power interruptions. Approximately 1,628 customers are also affected in your area. We are working to restore your power. The latest estimate for power to be restored is approximately November 23rd, 2024.